Does this bus go downtown? Why has the sidewalk been blocked? Do I just tap it here?
Are we getting off at this stop?
Should I buckle up every time? Should we book a taxi online?
No, look! An empty taxi is coming.
Will we be late if we stop for coffee?
Probably by a few minutes. The traffic is heavy.
How do we unlock this bicycle?
Scan the QR code with your phone.
Is this the stop for bus 25?
No, it isn't. That stop is across the street.
What happened here?
Two cars collided. Nobody seems hurt.
Should I buckle up every time?
Good. Always wear your seatbelt.
I hear an ambulance siren back us.
I am pulling over to the side so it can pass.
How much should I fill up?
Fill the tank completely. We have a long drive.
Can we park the car by the fire hydrant?
No, it is illegal. They will tow the car.
Why are you driving so slowly?
This is a school zone. We must drive slow.
When does the next bus arrive?
Within a minute. It's approaching now.
Can you spot a parking space?
Look, there's an open spot just ahead.
Is the train delayed?
Yes, it is. 10 minutes.
Do I just tap it here?
Yes. Hold it steady until it beeps.
Should we get on?
Not yet. This is the wrong train.
Why has the sidewalk been blocked?
There is construction, so we need to cross over to the other side.
Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, you're looking at the correct route. Yes,
Will this traffic ever move?
it's rush hour. We'll get through soon.
Where is the elevator?
There it is. Let's go.
Excuse me, where is Central Street?
Go straight ahead. It's 2 blocks away.
Why are we stopping the car here?
People are crossing the street. We must wait for them.
It's so crowded here, from the platform edge.
Stay close to me. We'll board together.
Which ticket do we need?
The day ticket. It's cheaper.
Are we allowed to drive down this street?
I don't think so. There's a barrier blocking the lane.
Are we getting off at this stop?
Yes, this is it. Grab your things.
Do we catch the 25 from this corner?
No, we're on the wrong side. We need to go across the road.
Why are we waiting?
A train is coming. It should pass soon.
What's the payment method for this meter?
Just tap your credit card. It's completely automated.
When can we cross?
Wait for the green light. It will change soon.
How do we get across the river?
We need to walk over that bridge.
Hey, thanks for watching with us.
I hope you learned something new today. Keep practicing.